The level is just too advanced, the bezel is Tiffany stamped, no grip on my hand. I know that I came with the slide from left to right, but now I don't wanna dance. I got too much on the line, too much on my mind, too much ain't enough of my plans. Nike don't pay me to tell you just do it, they pay me to show you I do it again.
Huh? Yeah, I'm in control of the block. You know how October get hot. Money make that skills go pop. The crib is over the top. The whip is over the top. I thought about letting her go, but I wasn't over the top.
I can't be pale in my casket, make sure I die with a 10. It's part of the brand. I know that I came with a slide from left to right, but now I don't wanna dance. Cannot depend on a man, I slided some bread in the jam. That's just who I am. Custom just waving at us from the window, they don't even come on the plane when we land. Anyone else will retire, but I'm not content. I wanna bury these niggas like 20 feet down so no one can find them again. It's gotta be scary to witness me carry these niggas around in both of my hands. They stay inviting me over, they say they got bitches, I get there and then it's just them.
Got verse from the blended, send me a nigga say use instead. Everything good when he live in the house, got shit for me for bed. Can you imagine shit that you seen? I went from the road to South Point Dreams, the bridge got burned and shattered. I'm climbing, I don't need a ladder. New year, it's a new chapter. Start snap at David Snapper. She on the fuck out of anger. Back in the days, life was so hard and problem trapping backyards. I didn't know about Boyard. I just said, what can you bank hard? Remembering days in courtyard. I came from trap at Nats. Trap with bugs in the trap. She wanna spell the facts. Yeah. I gotta sell my ass. I got cheese in a bag. My shooters think it's tag. She wanna buy me a tag. BM, text me, throw 10 at her like Messi. Take the Draco, please get messy. Took Kalani on girls like Nelly's. I was locked, no answer, Sally's. No change on my lines like Sally's. This tech 9 whole many. Lucky told me don't trust many.
The level is just too advanced, the bezel is Tiffany stamped, no grip on my hand. I know that I came with the slide from left to right, but now I don't wanna dance. I got too much on the line, too much on my mind, too much ain't enough of my plans. Nike don't pay me to tell you just do it, they pay me to show you.
You got you in you. Super whale juices running down knee. No stylist in the saline. Got you flashing with an icy pinnacle lid. Pretty vibes inside a mansion by the beach. With the prints all on your face and shoot your collar so you best inside your room, designer garments for the week. And that's all on me, I swear that's all on me. You acting like you really want it. You gon' get it. Once I fuck you good, I got you. In your feelings, Turkey bands and go your pouches. Got you drippin', make it listen more counting. Counting digits, every shit need riches. You like it what you see. Everything designer, that's on me. That's why the way I walk, looking like you, just tryna fuck. Yeah, this drip got you in heat. It's jumping, baby girl, hop on this dick. Yeah, you know that I'm on beat. All these drip got you happy.
It's cute, right? I like it. I see now, I'm like, all right, change your mind. Hey guys, so as you guys can see, I got my hair done. I got my nails done. Too cute. I love my nails. Look at it, guys. Focused. Like, nails done, lashes been done. I gotta wash my lashes. But yeah, so I'm about to actually go work out and I'm going to try my best to record. Well, I'm going to record for you guys, okay? Out with you guys. So I'm going to record. PSA, I'm still a beginner trying to get this fitness journey together or whatever. So if you have any tips or whatever, just comment below. But yeah, so I'm actually not going to Planet Fitness. I'm going to my cousin's apartment gym. Like, her complex has a gym in it, so I'm going to use that. It's very limited equipment in there, but we're just going to work with what we have or whatever. They have a Smith machine. I never used it before, so if there's nobody in there, I'm probably going to try it or use it and see, like, how that go, whatever. But yeah, so I'll let you guys know when I'm there. So talk to you guys later.
On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. It did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool, right? Checking from my fan life is fantastic. I was broke as hell, sleeping on the mattress. Tough it like a hell when nobody happy. Hot shells jumping out, they send me automatic. Rated up by the condo, got a new edit. Now the BB's with a V-long jean jacket. You can see me even if you had 3D glasses. Bad bitch in the bikini, she from Calabasas. Got a pocket full of blue cheese and some green relish. I'm a psycho for these hundreds, got a cash fetish. I've been studying these hundreds, I'm a mathematic. Getting this love make me wonder about my dedicated. Since the love got me geeked up, I don't need a addict. Drake gold, let these niggas know we already. Expensive clothes on my bitches, we ain't ball capping. Alien feel like I'm living on my own planet. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aiming light sticks like a latex. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. But did tickle lean where the lean.
Hey guys, so it's been a lot going on since I picked up the camera. I burnt my fucking forehead. Yeah, I know I'm mad as hell. Like, I'm just so mad right now. Like, not my face. Why? Out of all places, on my motherfucking body, my face. Like, the pictures is not gonna hit.
It is gonna hit.
No, it's not. Look at my forehead.
Girl, we could put it
Then Miriam is lying to me. I'm just so mad right now.
At least you didn't have to check in your
Word. I don't even want to tell you guys what just happened. Like, they tried to take my fucking suitcase. What the hell is wrong with them? What's wrong with these people? I really, and then the fact that it was a fucking sweater.
right. That's not like many of these people are playing.
A sweater? And you see me standing here waiting for a
What's crazy
space.
about that sweater? They're gonna do the flight. They're gonna literally get that.
As I can see, I'm on the plane. It's about to take off or whatever, but this burn is really gonna be like annoying the whole fucking trip. But I'll tell you guys where we're going when we get there or whatever. So we've made it to Puerto Rico. I don't even think I told y'all where we was going. But yeah, so we at Puerto Rico. And I'm just ready to fucking go up.
Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got red going jeans cause I'm cool rat. Shit, no shoes overseas, they were pan leather. Shop in Tokyo, Japan, they the best ever. Blueberry t-shirt, sleeve vanilla. Hot top, turn a vert, riding any weather. You ain't gotta bend down, this ain't a propeller. Man, we spend it down, copping Gucci sweaters. There's dripping niggas drowning, I cannot help them. Used to booming out the guys, we are not the devil. Got Colombia ties out of Mexico. Spent the bands 100 times, still smell dope. Got some pimp, feel applying, feel like Velcro. A bitch fine and lunch shopping on rodeo. I be if you don't want copy, it's a day, yo. Ain't stingy, my bro gonna get a payroll. I just want the pretty women in the pesos. I can only hit the engine in the Lambo. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aiming light sticks like a latex. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich sex. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did tickle lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's is a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool rat. On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Like a latex. Fuck rich bitch, having rich sex.
Hey guys, so we made it to Puerto Rico, period. And I'm gonna show you guys a quick look of the hotel. It's so cute. Then my favorite part of the hotel, of the room, is of course the bathroom. It's so nice here. Like, I don't even really gotta say much. This is just, come on.
It's giving. Period.
Then
Maybe you gotta show them.
last but not least, we have another TV. That's crazy. Then we have the balcony with a nice little view. See the ocean over there. You know, we got this room, whatever it is. It's nice. Oh, this is like a door to the bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta come here with my man.
Right.
And that's the end of this tour. Period.
Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big tripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get over. He ain't 4P yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta smoke. Flying around with Drake, call me OVO.
I'm popping it.
This burn is pissing me off. Like, everything is not. So, we're finally at the hotel. Did I say that? I can't remember. But yeah, we're at the hotel and we're starving. So, we're about to get something to eat. As y'all previously seen, the pool is fucking nice. Like, that little clip I just showed y'all was the pool. And I can't wait to get into it. But it's gonna be crazy when there's mad people eating out here and we in the pool.
This is the pool.
That's not the pool. That is the pool.
That is the pool. Yes. Oh really?
I thought it was like a waterfall thing.
If like someone can like.
But usually his dad will be home, so I'll be more at peace with it, you know. But then
Thank you. I know. Oh my god! Period!
Oh shit.
So cute.
I needed like a wallet! Yes. Oh my god, I
I was
love
trying to think, like, what the fuck don't Mariam got? Like,
I'm fucking wallet.
I'm like, I never seen her with a fucking wallet.
Okay, now you know.
Wallet.
I'm so out of frame.
Oh, thank you. Let me give you a hug.
I'm so out of frame. They're gonna hate me.
Thank you.
welcome.
Yes, I needed this.
So this vlog.
Huh?
Oh, she got me a wallet, y'all.
Oh wait, it's not focusing. Okay, go ahead. Yeah.
She got me a wallet, y'all.
A wallet.
Love it. Oh my god, I'm so happy. No, you should have heard me in TSA. I'm like, my wallet is fucked up.
For real?
Yes.
In TSA? Oh, I wasn't there, that's why.
Let me show you my wallet.
Yeah, but throw that shit out.
Definitely.
I can't remember last time I spoke to you guys.
Tomorrow, you're showering first.
Like, this is ridiculous. I mean, she's still on time.
Shut the fuck up.
She has
Thank you. Thank you.
She has 7
As
minutes.
y'all know, I don't even know how to do my own hair and makeup, so Miriam and Modena helped me with my hair and makeup.
The bathroom.
So yeah, it looks nice. We're all vlogging. We're literally all vlogging. One vlogger, another fucking vlogger. She's the only one not vlogging. Let me show y'all. She do sew hair though, so if you want your fucking hair, this is who to get it from.
Period. Bella Funders.
Exactly. We all got her hair on too. So, when was the last time I spoke to you guys? We went to the, see, this is what I don't like doing. I don't like telling y'all what I did. I want to show y'all what I did. But, so we're getting ready to go out. So we just found out that on Monday and Tuesdays, the clubs is closed. So we're going to a hookah lounge instead. But let me show y'all the fit. Nothing too crazy, just real